Are you passionate about organic skincare and hair care? Do you want to turn your passion into a career? If so, we have an exciting opportunity for you. Our Diploma in Organic Skincare and Hair Care Formulation course is designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to create safe and effective organic products. Whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur or simply want to learn more about natural skincare and hair care, this course is perfect for you. Throughout the course, you will learn about the science behind skincare and hair care, as well as how to select the right ingredients and create formulations that are safe and effective. You'll also learn about the product testing, regulatory compliance, and marketing your products to the customers. Our course is taught by experienced industry professionals who are passionate about organic skincare and hair care. They'll provide you with personalized support and guidance throughout the course and help you develop your skill and knowledge. By the end of the course, you'll have the skills and knowledge you need to create your own organic skincare and hair care products and even launch your own brand. You'll be able to create products that are safe, effective, and environmentally friendly. So why wait? Join our Diploma in Organic Skincare and Hair Care Formulation course today and take the first step towards a rewarding career in the natural beauty industry.